Imagine yourself in the middle of a dimly lit home theater, surrounded by friends and family, completely absorbed in a breathtaking cinematic experience. The screen comes alive with vibrant colors, crystal-clear images, and immersive sound that draws you in, making you feel as if you're part of the action. This is the magic that BenQ's W4100i 4K HDR smart home theater projector promises to deliver. In today's world, we crave a more personalized entertainment experience, but traditional theaters often fall short in providing that intimate setting. With the rise of home entertainment, the demand for high-quality projectors has increased, driving innovation in the industry. However, many consumers struggle to find a projector that balances affordability, performance, and ease of use, leading to a fragmented market. BenQ addresses this pain point with the W4100i, designed to provide an uncompromising cinematic experience at an unbeatable price. I had the chance to take this projector home and witness its capabilities firsthand, unboxing it to reveal a sturdy, compact design that exudes sophistication. Measuring 13.7 inches in height and 10.4 inches in width, it's small enough to fit in any entertainment setup while still boasting an array of premium features. The exterior shell is crafted from a combination of aluminum and ABS plastics, giving it a premium feel while maintaining a relatively lightweight design, weighing in at around 10 pounds. The user interface is another crucial aspect of any entertainment device, and BenQ has done an excellent job in this department. The included remote control features intuitive navigation and dedicated buttons for common actions, making it easy to jump into your favorite shows or movies. The projector also supports Android TV, allowing seamless integration with popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+, further simplifying the entertainment experience. Now, let's dive into the feature set that truly sets the W4100i apart from competitors. At its core lies a 4K UHD projector with HDR capabilities, delivering 8.3 million pixels at a resolution of 3840 by 2160, a significant leap from its 1080p predecessors. The projector's HDR Pro technology is an exclusive feature that utilizes local contrast enhancement and tone mapping to craft an incredibly nuanced and detailed picture, effortlessly navigating the dynamic range between bright highlights and deep shadows. This creates an immersive visual experience that rivals that of modern theaters. One of the key selling points for the BenQ W4100i is its impressive color fidelity, boasting 100% DCI, P3 color coverage, exceeding the requirements of cinematic standards. Factory-calibrated out-of-the-box color accuracy ensures that every cinematic detail comes alive in the most authentic way possible, thanks to LED vibrant colors that surpass traditional DLP or LCD projectors in terms of color volume, contrast, and saturation. Real-world testing revealed the projector's capabilities in handling various content types with ease. With the projector's auto keystone system and four-way lens shift, I was able to position it at different angles without compromising the image quality, thanks to its advanced optics and precise calibration. Watching the critically acclaimed Netflix original series, Stranger Things, I was struck by how vivid the D.C.I P3 color gamut appeared, accurately representing the hues and textures we see in real life. Even fast-paced scenes with rapid changes in lighting were rendered seamlessly, with minimal image distortion or noise. While no product is perfect, there are some trade-offs to be aware of. The projector's 3,200 lumens brightness may not be sufficient for extremely bright environments, which could lead to washed-out images. Additionally, its LED lifespan is impressive but ultimately limited to around 30,000 hours, a concern that users should consider when planning for long-term maintenance. When comparing the BenQ W4100i to other high-end projectors, it's clear that it offers an unbeatable combination of price and performance. With a street price of around $4,000, you get not only an impressive 4K UHD projector, but also built-in HDR capabilities and Android TV integration at a significantly lower cost than many competitors. In conclusion, the BenQ W4100i 4K HDR smart home theater projector is an industry leader in delivering an immersive cinematic experience to consumers who demand the highest level of quality. This comprehensive home cinema solution is the best choice for anyone in search of a projector that seamlessly combines cutting-edge features with exceptional image quality at an unbeatable price point. If you're ready to elevate your home entertainment experience and immerse yourself in breathtaking cinematic visuals, the BenQ W4100i 4K HDR smart home theater projector is the perfect choice.